Hey, it's Sean with IAQ Experts, and today we're going to show you exactly what happens during a professional air duct cleaning. You'll see the tools we use, the steps we follow, and why it matters for your air quality, your family's health, and your HVAC system's performance. If you ever wonder what really happens during an air duct cleaning, you're about to find out. Let's jump in. The process starts when our technicians arrive at your home, fully equipped with the tools and equipment needed to get the job done right. After a quick walkthrough of your home, we locate every air vent, return, and access point in your duct system. This initial inspection helps us identify any problem, spots like heavy dust buildup, debris, or signs of moisture or mold inside the ducts. We use a specialized inspection camera to get real-time look inside your ductwork. This also gives us a chance to see what's hiding in there before we clean it. Once the inspection is complete, then we prep your HVAC system for cleaning. That means sealing off each supply return vent to keep dust and debris from circulating through your home. We prep the floors with drop cloths. We put plastic down over the furniture, the countertops to eliminate cross-contamination. We also include a HEPA air scrubber to help purify your air as we're cleaning your HVAC system. We also cut into the access point into your main trunk line and hook up our high-powered negative air machine, which creates strong suction to capture loosened debris. This machine pulls contaminants directly into our sealed HEPA filter collection unit, keeping your air clean throughout the entire process. With this system prepped, we start the actual cleaning process. We use a combination of high-pressure air whips to dislodge buildup and hand vacuum cleaning dust, pet dander, pollen, and other debris from the inside of your ductwork. As the air tools work through the duct system, debris is immediately captured by our vacuum equipment, preventing it from escaping into your home. You'd be surprised how much dust and gunk can build up in the typical home duct system, especially with all the seasonal allergens. A thorough duct cleaning means we clean both the supply lines, which deliver the air into your rooms, and the return lines that pull air back into your system. Neglecting either one can leave contamination behind, reducing your indoor air quality, making your HVAC system work harder. Here at IAQ Experts, we take the time to properly clean each vent, each grill, and every line for a complete job. Once our cleaning is complete, we perform a final inspection and we show you the before and after images so you can see the difference for yourself. Finally, we clean up our workspace, replace the vent covers, and make sure everything is back in place. And that's it. That's how professional air duct cleaning works here at IAQ Experts. If you're ready to schedule your next cleaning or have any questions, give us a call or visit us on our website. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.